hate school lessons. Correct usage of at, on, and in as prepositions of time. What are prepositions? Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Examples: off and outside in the sentence, the cat jumped off the chair and ran outside. Beside and during in the sentence, she sat beside her friend during the movie. On and in the sentence, we will go on vacation in August. Prepositions help to indicate location, time, direction, manner, and other relationships between different elements within a sentence. In this lesson, we're going to learn about the prepositions at, on, and in. At, on, and in are used as prepositions of time and prepositions of place. In this video, we're going to talk about at, on, and in as the prepositions of time. At is used to specify a precise or exact time of the day, at 5 o'clock, meaning the exact time is 5 p.m. Examples: we will meet at 5 o'clock. I have a dentist appointment at 3:15 in the afternoon. The train leaves at 7:30 in the morning. Her flight arrives at 6:30 in the evening. Please be ready to leave at 10 o'clock sharp, at dawn, meaning the exact time when the first light of the day appears. Example: the birds start singing at dawn, at dusk, meaning the exact time when the sun is setting and it starts to get dark. Example: we should head back home at dusk, at midnight, meaning the exact time is 12 a.m. Example: the fireworks will begin at midnight, at noon, meaning the exact time is 12 p.m. Example: the announcement will be made at noon, at sunrise, meaning the exact time when the sun rises. Example: we will start our hike at sunrise, at sunset, meaning the exact time when the sun sets. Example: the ceremony will begin at sunset, at the stroke of midnight, meaning exactly when the clock strikes 12 a.m. Example: they celebrated New Year at the stroke of midnight, at the break of day, meaning the exact time when the day begins. Example: the fishermen set out at the break of day, at first light, meaning the exact time when the first light of the day appears. They started their journey at first light, at night, meaning the time period after the evening and before the morning, typically when it is dark outside. Example: I prefer to study at night, at bedtime, meaning the specific time when it is usual to go to bed. Example: drinking warm milk at bedtime helps me sleep better, at breakfast, meaning the time associated with the first meal of the day. Example: we usually eat at breakfast together, at lunch, meaning the time associated with the midday meal. Example: I have a meeting at lunch, at tea time, meaning the time associated with having tea, typically in the afternoon. Example: we often have a chat at tea time, at Christmas, but remember, on Christmas Day, meaning during the Christmas holiday period. Example: we visit our family at Christmas, at Easter, but remember, on Easter Sunday, meaning during the Easter period in general. Example: we usually go to church at Easter, at the moment or at present, meaning right now, currently. Example: she can't come to the phone at the moment. Example: the project is on hold at present, at the same time, meaning simultaneously happening or occurring at the same moment. Example: I can cook dinner and watch TV at the same time. British English: at the weekend, at weekends. American English: on the weekend, on weekends, at the weekend, meaning describes plans or activities for a specific weekend or when talking about a particular weekend. Example: we have a barbecue at the weekend, at weekends, meaning describes activities that regularly occur on both Saturday and Sunday. Example: we go to the farmer's market at weekends, on, On is used to refer to specific points in time, including specific days, specific dates, parts of days, holidays, and special occasions. American English. On the weekend. Meaning: describes plans or activities for a specific weekend or when talking about a particular weekend. Example: on the weekend we plan to visit the new museum. On weekends. Meaning: describes activities that regularly occur on both Saturday and Sunday. Example: he usually plays soccer on weekends. Specific days: I have a meeting on Monday. She starts her new job on Tuesday. The seminar is scheduled on Wednesday. We have a test on Thursday. The project is due on Friday. We go hiking on Saturday. They visit their grandparents on Sunday. Specific dates: New Year's Day is on January 1st. The project deadline is on October 31st. The conference will start on July 4th. The new store opens on Friday, June 1st. She will receive her diploma on graduation day. They go out for dinner on their anniversary. Her birthday is celebrated on December 25th. Parts of the day: I have a meeting on Monday morning. We usually go grocery shopping on Tuesday afternoon. She has a yoga class on Wednesday evening. We enjoy movie nights on Thursday night. He goes for a run on Friday morning. The kids have soccer practice on Saturday afternoon. We have a family dinner on Sunday evening. Holidays and special occasions: we open presents on Christmas Day. We host a party on New Year's Eve. The kids go trick-or-treating on Halloween. We have a big family dinner on Thanksgiving. We watch fireworks on Independence Day. We take mom out for brunch on Mother's Day. People wear green on St. Patrick's Day. General uses: specific time periods: he commutes to work on weekdays. On a specific day in history. The event occurred on September 11th, 2001. On that day. I remember what happened on that day clearly. In is used to refer to general periods, such as months, seasons, and parts of the day, extended durations, like decades and centuries, future time frames, such as weeks, months, or years. Seasons: the flowers bloom in spring. We go skiing in winter. The leaves change color in autumn. Months: I was born in July. They are going on vacation in December. She plans to start a new job in September. Years: the company was founded in 1995. We moved to this city in 2010. The new library opened in 2020. Decades: fashion was quite different in the 1980s. The internet became widely used in the 1990s. Technology advanced rapidly in the 2000s. Centuries: many inventions were made in the 20th century. Classical music flourished in the 18th century. The Renaissance began in the 14th century. Periods of time: within a day: I usually exercise in the morning. We have meetings in the afternoon. I read a book in the evening. Duration: time frame: I'll be back in 2 hours. The project will be completed in 3 weeks. The report will be finished in 2 hours. Future periods: she will graduate in 4 years. In a few minutes, the show will start. They will move to their new house in 6 months.
Visit k8schoollessons.com for 1,000+ free worksheets, lessons, and quizzes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.